Starting a dropshipping business can be an exciting and profitable endeavor, but it also involves some crucial decisions regarding its legal structure. One common question is, do you need an LLC to start dropshipping? Well, in this video, we will delve into why an LLC might be beneficial for your dropshipping business, along with a detailed look at the costs and steps involved in setting one up. And by the way, if you're looking to start your own LLC, then I highly recommend you sign up with Northwest Registered Agents. If you would like to take advantage of my special offer, you can open your own LLC for as little as $39 by using my affiliate link down in the description of this video. If you use my link, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get started. First of all, what is dropshipping? A dropshipping business is a kind of online store where you list products for customers to buy, but you don't keep these products in stock yourself. Instead, when someone buys something from your store, a separate supplier handles the storage and shipping of the product directly to the customer. You charge the customer a higher price than what the supplier charges you, and you keep the difference as profit. For instance, if a supplier charges you $5 for a phone case and you sell it for $15, your profit is $10. The items are shipped in such a way that they seem to come from your store. They may have your business name or logo on the invoices or packaging. This setup makes it look like the product came directly from your business, although it's actually sent by the supplier. Can I start dropshipping without an LLC? It is technically possible to start dropshipping without forming an LLC. However, doing so means that your personal assets could be at risk if your business is sued or incurs debt. Therefore, while you can begin operations as a sole proprietorship or another structure, understanding the potential risks and benefits of each option is crucial. Differences between sole proprietorships and LLCs. A sole proprietorship is the simplest business form, but it does not offer the protection of personal assets that an LLC does. As a sole proprietor, your personal assets could be used to cover business debts or legal judgments. This risk makes the LLC an attractive option for those seeking more security. Both sole proprietorships and LLCs benefit from pass-through taxation, where the business profits pass through to the owner's personal tax returns, preventing double taxation. However, forming an LLC does involve some costs for registration and ongoing fees, whereas starting a sole proprietorship generally has no associated fees. So why consider an LLC for your dropshipping business? One of the main reasons to consider forming an LLC or limited liability company is to keep your personal belongings like your home, car, and savings safe. When you create an LLC for your business, these personal assets are kept separate from your business's assets. This is important because if your dropshipping business is ever sued or has debt problems, your personal items are usually protected from being taken to settle business debts. This kind of protection is a big benefit of an LLC compared to other business forms such as sole proprietorships where your personal assets could be at risk. Another advantage of an LLC is that it makes your business look more professional. By registering your dropshipping business as an LLC, you show potential customers and suppliers that you are serious about your business. This professional image can help build trust with them, which is very important in the dropshipping industry. Trust can lead to better business relationships and can affect how customers and partners view your reliability and credibility. Understanding the costs of forming an LLC. Setting up an LLC isn't free, and how much it costs can change based on the state where you start your business. To begin, you have to pay a filing fee when you register your LLC. This fee can be as low as $40 or as high as $500, depending on your state. This initial fee is necessary to officially recognize your business as an LLC within the state. After your LLC is registered, you're not done with the fees just yet. Your LLC must pay ongoing fees to keep its status with the state. These fees can be due every year or every 2 years, and the amount varies. For example, businesses in Massachusetts need to pay $500 every year, while those in Illinois only pay $75 annually. Steps to form an LLC for your dropshipping business. To start an LLC, you first need to choose a unique business name that complies with your state's regulations. You can use online tools like the Wix business name generator or even AI-powered tools like ChatGPT to help generate ideas that are unique and fitting for your business. After choosing a name, the next step is to file your articles of organization with the Secretary of State. This document includes essential information about your LLC, such as its name, the names of the members, and the address where it will operate. You also need to appoint a registered agent who will handle important documents for your LLC. This agent must be available during regular business hours and is crucial for maintaining the legal status of your business. Creating an operating agreement is also recommended, though not always required. This internal document outlines how your LLC will be run, including details about how decisions are made, how profits and losses are shared, and what happens if a member leaves the business. It helps prevent disputes between members by making sure everyone is clear about the rules from the start. Additionally, you will need to obtain an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. This number is essential for hiring employees, opening a business bank account, and filing business taxes. It's free to apply for an EIN, and you can do it easily online through the IRS website. Finally, make sure your business has the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. The specific requirements can vary depending on the products you're selling and your location. Checking with your local and state government websites can provide you with the information you need to ensure you're fully compliant. In conclusion, while forming an LLC is not required for dropshipping, the benefits it provides, such as personal asset protection and enhanced credibility, make it a worthy consideration for many entrepreneurs. Evaluate your business needs, the level of risk you're comfortable with, and the professional image you want to project. If these factors align with the advantages of an LLC, it might be the right choice for your business. And if you're ready to take the next step in forming your own LLC, then I highly recommend signing up with Northwest Registered Agents. If you use my link down in the description of this video, you can take advantage of a special offer where you can form your own LLC for as little as $39. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.